For the connecting the database, we have a multiple tools are there, like a SQL developer tool for Oracle, and other also we have some tools are there. So main the purpose is just to, and also we can connect from the database by using the command prompt also, like SQL place recording some password. So also we can also uh, connect with the data from using the command prompt also. But the so user friendly we have some tools are there, SQL developer tool for Oracle, and also other we have some tools are there. Now we also some new tool also there to data point. But the what the some extra features are there compared to the previous, like a tool for Oracle or the SQL developer. Just we need to know the what are the features are there. Let's suppose I have a already have configured the Oracle database here. I will show database connection in the coming session. Okay, and here also I have already configured the SH user. Okay, just I want to show the what is the major difference when we are installing the two data point. We have a pre-installed two databases are there. One is the local storage. I will explain the what is the local storage, and second one is the MS Access. So default it will install when we are installing the two data point. Okay, we need not to separate configure, and we need not to configure anything for these two things. Okay, so by default it will install. So in the automatically in the stored sample database already we have some tables are there. Okay, and local storage already have this, already have reconfigured this one, leave it about this. In this also we don't have anything, just this is the empty one. Okay, coming to the Oracle, this one manually I have configured. Okay, let's suppose coming to the future one is just I want to generate some extra reports. Here let's suppose I have here I have some data is there. Okay, just I want to report Excel report or HTML reports. From SQL developer we can do this one right here, PDF, text, XML, or loader, or JSON, or we have a different files are there. We can generate from this, from two data point also we can generate this one. Okay, let's suppose open the new SQL developer. Okay, this one. Okay, I want to export the data. Click export. See here pivot table. This is some Excel feature there. File, CSV file, HTML file. If you want to code extra features, export wizard there. So we have some here also we can export the data, but here some graphically, let's suppose I want to prepare one charts, and also I want, or let's charts means let's suppose this I want to prepare visual charts. Okay, so from that two data part we can generate this one. Let's suppose we know in the Excel we have bar charts, pie charts are there, we can generate those one. Okay, these features are not in the SQL developer, but the main feature is not for the not main. Actually we can generate reports, some extra reports we can generate, but the first feature is, let's suppose I want to analyze my business. I have a data in multiple databases, multiple, not like I have a multiple, let's suppose I have a one MySQL database there. I have some information in MySQL, some of the information in the Oracle database, other some of the information in the Salesforce. So like I have some multiple databases there. all together I need to analyze my business. So that means, let's suppose I want to get the data from the Oracle. Let's suppose I got this data, some of the data here. Okay, here my customers are there, some of customers are there here. Okay, in Oracle I have some customers. Okay, MS Excel have some customers. Let's suppose MySQL. In MySQL I have some other customer. In the Salesforce I have another customer. Just I want to know the how many customers, what are the addresses, what are the strategy of the customer. Just I want to know the each and everything. But we can do, but manually we have to do. Let's suppose first of all I need to get the data from here. Okay, and we need to export into the Excel. From also here also we need to export into the data. Depending on condition we need to write a queries there also. Some it take some time there. We need to export the data into the Excel, so we need to prepare separate Excel sheet for each and everything. So these are things time taking process, and also for analyzing also it's some headache process there. So in the two data point we have a the extra feature is there. Okay, I will show the what is this. Okay, just click right here. We have a new query builder option is there. Click here. Okay, just here customers are there. Click here. Here this is a customer table from the Oracle. Okay, see here also I have one customer table is there. Click here. So from the Oracle database I get the data, and here also some customer data is there from MS Access. Just I want to get the data from here. Okay, total how many data is there. Let's suppose I want to create a join. Okay, customer and customer ID. So I want to just know the customer name. Here also customer name. Okay, just run the query. It takes some time because here there's some thousands of data is there. Here some. Okay, I got the data. See data. 100 records. Common data. This is a, let's suppose I will show the what is common data. Click here. Actually 54,500 records are there. Actually total. Okay, I will show the data how many records are there. This customer table. 55,500. Okay, here shown the 54,400, but some mistake. Sorry, misunderstanding is 100 also including. This 100 data is in the from data getting from the MS Access. Let's suppose I am showing the data query builder table. Count data. Here 100 records are there. So these 100 records are coming from this. So 55,400. Let's suppose I want to get all the data. We can include the outer join. Okay, we know outer join. What is outer join? So let's suppose just run it. Outer join also. See, just I'm changing the query. Before we have a inner join there. Now I replace the left outer join. So just run the query. See here, 55,500. So how many records are there? 55,500. So we have a result. So we can get the result from the both databases. Okay, we already got those results. The unique. Let's suppose just I want to. Okay, just unique data. So same data is there. So like here the example is we can cross join the multiple databases from different vendors. I mean to say, let's suppose I can get the data from the Oracle, I can get the data from the MS Access or MySQL. By getting those results, we can joins on those result set, and also we can analyze for using we can analyze the data, and also there also by using the query builder also we can mm, mm, joins by using ANSI joins we can um, analyze the data. That means here like this we can write the SQL queries. Okay, so this is one of the example. By let's suppose if I want to automate this, we can automate. Let's suppose when the result set is came, just I want to send an email. Means I want to send this report result set to the email. By using email, we can send an email also. Okay. So we have some other features are there. We can zip the data. We can write some like a PLSQL. We can also write some programming like a processor language. We have different options are there. This is an overview of that data point. Okay, thank you.